How long do bald eagles live? Have you ever wondered how long bald eagles can soar through the skies? These magnificent birds have quite an interesting lifespan that varies based on their environment. In the wild, bald eagles typically live around 15 to 25 years. However, the average lifespan is about 20 years. Some remarkable individuals have even been known to reach up to 38 years. In captivity, where they receive regular food and medical care, bald eagles can live much longer. In fact, some can survive for 30 to 50 years or more. This extended lifespan in human care is due to the absence of many dangers they face in the wild. Young eaglets face tough challenges right from the start. It is estimated that 70 to 80% of them do not make it to adulthood, which occurs around 5 years of age. They encounter threats like congenital deformities, starvation, and predation from animals such as raccoons and large owls. Sibling competition can also be fierce, leading to further risks. Once they mature, adult bald eagles have fewer natural predators. They generally enjoy a higher survival rate, especially since they are no longer heavily hunted by humans. However, they still face significant risks from human activities. Collisions with vehicles and power lines are common dangers. Lead poisoning from ingesting fragments of lead ammunition or fishing gear can also be fatal. Despite these threats, adult bald eagles often have strong survival rates. Some studies indicate that certain populations have nearly 100% annual survival. This resilience is impressive, considering the many hazards they encounter throughout their lives. For birdwatchers, understanding the lifespan of bald eagles can enhance the experience of observing these majestic birds. Knowing their age can help identify different plumage stages, from juvenile eagles with dark feathers to mature adults with the iconic white head and tail. Living to decades or more in the wild is a remarkable achievement for bald eagles. Their long lifespan allows them to establish territories, mate for life, and raise multiple broods. This contributes to their ongoing presence in ecosystems across North America. So, the next time you spot a bald eagle soaring overhead, remember that these incredible birds have a lifespan that reflects both natural challenges and human impacts. Their journey through life is a testament to their adaptability and strength.